Hey, what's up, guys? So, today we're gonna play Timeout Duels. Okay, so just telling guys, am I a pro? Because I don't know if I am. Just tell me in the comments if I am a pro. Please. And don't forget to like and subscribe. Even if you don't subscribe, thanks for the support. Guys, this Tabby. Maybe he's alt account. Maybe he's good. See? Am I pro or noob? I don't really know. I'm a lockin. Oops. Sorry. I just woke up, so I don't have anything to say. See, I'm new as fudge. I gotta keep it funny with friend. So that's why I lock in. Okay. Don't worry. I can't even. I'm noob. Oh my god. Oh yes. Finally, normal voice. It's perfect. For all people who's wondering what device I'm playing on, you can clearly see that it's mobile, but this is kind of a touchscreen laptop. Touchscreen laptop. It's really hard to play with because of the massive, screen. But not trying to flex. The graphics is really good. See? Is that a joke, guys? Just wondering. Oh my god, I'm so tired. Kakagising. Oops. See? I'm noob. You can predict me easily. I'm predictable. Although sometimes people don't predict me, I don't know why. I'm so see? I'm such a noob. I don't have a soundboard, so sorry for the low quality. Sorry for the low quality sound, I guess, in gameplay, because I'm a noob, guys. Don't worry, don't say, yeah, I want to die. Just kidding, y'all. I don't want to commit suicide. After this, I think I'm gonna play some more or just watch YouTube. Okay, guys. So this is not the end yet until we beat this guy. I guess we will. I hope. Yes. W timer. I don't need a W myself because I am not even that good. I ain't glazing or some shit. Oh, sorry, family. Friendly. See, I'm noob. I'm such a noob. I'm wish I were a pro like Zappy. I wish I were a pro like Zappy. I wish I could do it. And oh wait, yep. So guys, this is the end of bye. I'm going to post it. So yo. Bye, guys. I gotta go. I wanna commit suicide. I wanna die. Just kidding, y'all. Don't do that. Don't be like me. I'm going to stress. Bye bye.